Hey there guys, I've recently come into a lot of money, a lot of fake money that is. I got a bunch of fake $100 bills here. We are going to try and make it rain. Shooting these wood arrows that I really care about. So this might be stupid, but I don't think this is an incredibly dangerous shot for these. So I'm just trying to shoot into the bank. This board is slightly facing me, you know, the angle. So I'm just trying to skip underneath all the bills and just send it up into the wind. Or we'll settle for tapping the stick off there, so see what happens. Well, that's not at all what I wanted to happen. Let me try something else. Okay, so all I did was kind of scoot it up. Maybe if I hit the shot right, if I actually hit the plank and get under them, it'll flip it up. Come on, Leo. Help me back here, dude. Alright, that still wasn't it. Going back to the drawing board one more time. Okay, I increased the angle of the plank here. I don't think either of those times I got underneath the bills. Hopefully this works. Come on, man. That's what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure that's gonna come out at least kind of cool. Thing went way up there too. Good thing I got this big backstop. I'm trying stupid stuff like that. So yeah, be careful with angles. If you don't have a lot of room, don't be doing it in a suburban neighborhood, because you will have an arrow fly away. All right, this was pretty fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.